Javari.
What?
Use this.
We need you to help us solve these anti-derivatives, Halim. Because if you don't, things are gonna get out of control for you extremely fast.
Can I see you in here for a minute? Guys, we need to take a more aggressive approach.
And by aggressive, you mean torture?
Well, if that's what it takes, then yes.
Alright, we'll see what we can do.
Good.
Look, I'm getting tired of waiting. Tell us the anti-derivative. Tell us the anti-derivative.
I ain't telling you nothing.
Alright, guys, that's enough. Just take a break. I'll take care of this. Come on. Come on, move it. You guys look like you guys can use a break.
I thought you said we need to be more aggressive.
Look, guys, I know what I said. Let me take care of it, okay?
Fine. Alright,
Everything's
fine.
gonna be fine.
Fine.
Thanks, guys. Hello? P.S. Persze, hogy ismerlek. Ez a te embered? Tényleg? Jó sok pénzt kapnák ezért, mi? Na jó van, meglátjuk, mit tudunk csinálni. Persze, persze. Örülök. Pompás. Well, my friend, your boss gave me a call. He said he'll give me a lot of money if I let you go. It's your lucky day, my friend, because I'm gonna set you free.
What are you doing?
Don't worry, man. We'll be fine. Хорошо. Let's get out of here.
They're being really suspicious.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why they're making us come in here like this. Oh my god, look! They're escaping!
Move out of the way. Oh, man.
We must hurry.
Oh my god, there they are.
It's alright, wait, we gotta put on our shoes.
You ready? Let's go.
Oh crap! I forgot my keys!
Give me your gun.
Halim, tell us how to solve the anti-derivative.
I'm not telling you S-Prime.
It's not even a mathematical term, dude.
Oh. You have to use substitution.
Oh! I'll get the whiteboard.
I'll give it the derivative. Got him. Only 2 minutes and 5 seconds left.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, here's the antiderivatives. Let's start with the first one.
Alright, let's set u equal to the denominator, because that's always a good place to start. Now let's find du. We can do that by finding the derivative of u.
Hey, both of those are divisible by 3. That means we can factor it out.
Alright, now let's plug u into the original equation, and du.
Wait, let's divide by that 3 first.
Oh, that is a really good idea. Good catch. Don't forget the dx.
Now we can plug 1/3 du in for x squared plus 1 dx.
And
So-
we can plug u in for x cubed plus 3x.
Now what do we do, Javari?
We can put the 1/3 in front, and then we'll end up with 1/3 times the integral of 1 over u du.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, now all we have to do is the antiderivative.
Okay, the antiderivative of 1 over a variable is the natural log of the absolute value of that variable.
Don't forget the plus c.
Oh, I won't.
Remember the absolute value too.
Yep, I got that. Plus c.
Now, all we have to do is substitute the original equation back in for the u's. Or in this case, the u.
Now all we have to do is this. And that is the answer to that antiderivative.
Yeah, now let's type it into the computer before the bomb goes off. Alright, let's type in this first antiderivative.
Now let's do the second antiderivative.
Right. First, let's write it down. Next, we find what u equals. It's usually whatever's in the parentheses.
And then we can find the derivative of that.
Alright. That du equals 1 dx. Can't forget the dx still. Now, let's plug it back into the original equation.
So that would be something like this.
And
Right?
just- oh yeah, just in case you're lost, you divide it by that 1. Right there. Alright, now let's do the antiderivative.
Okay, that's easy enough. Just add 1 to the power and then divide it by that newly found power. And don't forget the plus c.
Right, now let's plug x minus 4 in for u.
Oh, that's easy.
Because that's just what you gotta do.
And that is the final answer.
Bravo. Now let's type it in the computer. Alright, let's type in the second antiderivative. Gotta hurry up. 45 seconds left
Now let's do the third antiderivative.
before the bomb goes off.
Let's write it down here.
Mm-hmm. Now this might seem a little tricky because it has a square root. But you can just change it to the parentheses to the power of 1/2.
Yeah, that's right. So let's start off by finding u, which is usually the thing in parentheses,
Yes.
or a square root.
Square root,
So
which
in this
is
case-
basically parentheses.
U would equal x squared minus 6.
Right. Now let's find du. Can't forget the dx.
Now we can just plug this back into the original equation.
Yeah. Use 1/2 instead of square root. It makes life good.
And then we can take the antiderivative of that, which is adding 1 to the exponent and then dividing by that newly found exponent. And don't forget the plus c, and then if you want to simplify it even more, you need to make the fraction on the bottom multiply correctly. 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. And then all you have to do is plug in the original u value for the u that you have in your newly found antiderivative, which would be 2/3 x squared minus 6 to the 3/2 plus c. And that is the final answer. Now let's type that into the computer.
Alright, let's type in this last antiderivative. Gotta hurry up. Oh, this is a hard one.
Hurry up!